Hi, I'm Howie Scarborough. I'm the CEO of Fall Protection Distributors, and recently I've written a blog about Royal Metal Buildings and the two standing seam panel profiles that they put out. We're discussing the best types of fall protection anchor points and accessories that can be used on these panels without damaging the roof. As you know, with standing seam, we can't penetrate the panel, so we have to use specialty products. So if you scroll down through the blog that's available on our website, their two main panels that they produce are a nail strip style panel. This is a snap lock. And then they have a regular snap lock called Royal. So if you scroll down here, there's a lot of information on the panels. But if you scroll down here to the chart, it's a quick reference. This shows you that our seam anchor, the SSRA1, this is fully compatible. If you need to put 10-foot wooden walkboards on these roofs, you can stack the SSRA2 roof jack adapters. They mount on top of the SSRA1, and this allows you to put walkboards on the roof without having to go out and buy big, expensive walkboard brackets. You can also use the SSRA3 anchor plate. This is what we use if you want to attach up to 100-foot temporary horizontal lifelines on these panels. This is compatible. Another product for steeper roofs, so 612 to 1212, is you can use the RidgePro on this roof. And the RidgePro, for a worker that's, say, the first man up from the ladder, he can run the RidgePro. It hooks over the roof, provides 100% tie-off while he's on the roof. So if you have any questions about compatibility or about our products, our phone number is up here. There's our email, and this is a live chat button right there. Let us know how we can help you.